Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to download the Kotobee Author in the internet. So first things first, we need to open a browser. So we're going to use Google Chrome here. Now on the address bar, just search Kotobee Author and then click this link. So you will be transferred on their website. Sorry. Click this link. Okay, now on their website, you can see the overview here, the granting interactive content, how to use it to your classroom, your students, so you can explore it more. Also on the features tab, what are the formats that we can use or that we can export our ebook, and then the downloads tab. Now, on the downloads tab, you can actually download your Kotobee Author. So for the Windows, so we have 64-bit version, 32-bit version, and we also have a version for Macintosh. So for the Mac users. So since my PC is a 24-bit PC, so I'm just going to click this one and then wait for the Kotobee Author to be downloaded. So it will take some time for you to download the Kotobee Author. So just click keep and then wait for it to download. So while downloading, you can explore their websites, the other products, services, the price, the demo, etc. So you can also learn other features of the Kotobee Author here on their website. So for the overview, again, so basically this Kotobee Author, we can use this to make an interactive content or interactive ebook so that the students can use this for their studies. So after the download, so the file has already been downloaded. So you have to click this and then run the program. So we just have to wait for the splash screen to pop up. And then let's set up the language. We're okay with the English. So we can close this now. Just click next. So if you want to create a desktop shortcut, you may check this. Click next and then click the install button. So wait for it to be installed. So it will take some time. So we're done installing the Kotobee Author. So just click finish. And then so we are now at the Kotobee Author software. So if you want to have a quick tour of the software, so you may click this. And if not, you may just close this splash screen and you may now proceed using the software. Now at the top right corner, so we have here the register and then enter the serial number. So you can register your software if you want. So just click this and then you will be transferred to a browser wherein you can put all your information here for you to register your software. So you just press your email, type your email here. Let's say, for example, this one at gmail.com. You type your name, uh, the website. So website is not required, so you may not type anything there. So you just, click and then fill up all the information here. So click I am not a robot and then just select the image for this captcha, then verify. So once you're done, you click register